Who are you? You are not what you wear, you are not what you eat. You are what you think, you are what you speak. You are not how you look, you are what you believe. You are not what you show, you are what you shield. You be of any color, you are defined by your deed. You are alive when you question, you are dead when you agreed. Stand up and make your path. Try harder, don't lose your heart. What is the purpose of your life? What is wrong and what is right? Who has the authority, who gets to decide? Before answering, ask inside. Who created you when you were nothing? Your brain has limits, you keep wondering. Who gives tranquility after all the suffering? You keep doing sins and He keeps forgiving. Use your mind and think outright. Who is the all-knower? Who has the all-might? The utterly just, He is the all-wise. He shows the way, who else can guide? Your brain remains active all the time. You fail to acknowledge the existence of divine. You become a slave and desires are your master. When you differentiate a sin from a crime, your wrongdoings make your conscience rust. Money, fame or lust can't quench your thirst. Why so much pride? Understand this first. You were made from clay, your end is dust. You are bound to make mistakes, accept your imperfection. Stop blaming others, you need introspection. Don't be a spectator, give some reaction. You have given many sermons, now come into action. Stand up and make your path. Try harder, don't lose your heart. But wait, what about the society? What is its priority? Let me give some clarity. What is the reality? We as a society cheat and mislead, be it any caste or any creed. Some struggle for necessities, the others spend on what they don't need. Your desires, your greed, they all supersede. Injustice prevalent, morals bleed. In this stampede you are told to proceed, elevation uncertain, destruction guaranteed. This system's drawbacks have been glossed. Any objection will be quashed. Your intellect has been tossed, and you call others brainwashed. So use your brain and please explain in such a system how to sustain. How can you change it? We'll ask it again when you are also obliged to maintain. So whosoever has the reign, just don't complain that the rich has the advantage, the poor are in pain. Your clothes are clean, your soul has a stain. When you live for yourself, that is inhumane. Stand up and make your path. Try harder, don't lose your heart. You are unstoppable, unparalleled and capable. Believe in yourself, make your actions remarkable. Stop being casual, your beliefs should be rational. If you think unconventional, your actions will be exceptional. Let people mock, stand firm like a rock. Create your identity, don't be a part of a flock. Act wisely, don't just talk, fortune will knock. When you can't stop the clock, try and aim like a hawk. If the people block, don't be in a shock. Crawl if you can't walk, don't you dare to stop. Doesn't matter if you fail, take it from the top. If life is a mystery, you are born to unlock.